Now, if this isn't hail damage, I don't know what is. Failed a watershed test. Definitely fractured fiberglass. Man, I mean, look at this beautiful hit here. That says a story, doesn't it? 2 tabs. Both sides of the tab are impacted, and I mean, look right here. That's a very good hit. There's nothing else that could do that other than hail. In fact, let's measure it, because we had a 1.5 inch hailstorm all the way up to 1.75. And look at that hit right there. It's over an inch. This is a 3 tab shingle. I mean, just look at it.